How do you flip your hair in a more fashionistic way? Wow, okay.
My name is Ki Hong Ling and I'm from the CSL program.
My name is Nat Sokanya and I'm from ESL 9B.
I've actually been studying at AII for around 14 years. I've started here since I was 2 years old, but I started at the main campus, which is MTT, Mount Stone campus.
I started studying AI since maybe around like 2019. I was in Kid 7,
Yes.
but then I dropped out and I quit for like a few months and I came back to AI too cold. I changed from Chojongwa to here. I really think I kind of improving because since I was in Kid 7, I barely know English, especially I don't know how to speak English, and about the accent, it's really hard to understand.
But now you have a really good accent.
Yeah.
Very neutral, by the way.
Yes.
For me, since I started studying English first, I guess it's normal for me to catch on English more since I've been studying English since I was very young. But overall, I do think that the Chinese program is also really great because they teach you from the bottom and they bring you to the top. So it actually has improved my Chinese more along with my English ever since I studied here.
In terms of like language journeys, what was the most difficult part?
Definitely grammar. I have the most hard time with grammar. Sometimes I believe that what I say is right, but it's actually grammatically wrong. And when I say it to someone, they just look at me and say, "What are you saying?"
Okay.
Same as her.
Also,
I'm really bad at grammar.
okay.
Especially like around like 2020. I was on Discord and I would always have like a lot of friends from other countries.
What are you?
Sorry.
Okay, it's cool.
I would like talk to them like on Discord and they don't know what I'm saying.
So now you've conquered that already, right? You've already conquered that challenge. You've
Yeah.
improved in
Yes.
that area somehow.
Yes.
Okay. Moving forward, what are your plans? In your combined school, what grade are you now?
We're both in
grade.
10th grade.
2 more years and then you're about to graduate.
Yes.
So what are the plans moving forward?
I kind of want to go abroad since my mom, she always wanted me to go abroad. Maybe like Australia or China. But for me, I would choose Australia.
For me, I would also say I want to go abroad. But for my case, I want to go to America because I have relatives there. And also because my family wants me to go there as well.
Now, we will be going against family. If you're gonna follow your truest heart's desire, what do you really want to do?
What do you want to do? My first dream was to become a teacher when I was really young because I loved my teachers. They were great people. But as I grew older, I then realized I had other passions. I do really want to become a lawyer in the future, but of course you don't know what the future holds yet. So as for right now, my passion is to become a lawyer, specifically a family lawyer.
I always wanted to be a fashion designer since I was
You
little.
look like one. Trust me. Okay?
You what?
And no kidding, huh? When I see a person, I kind of see your future. So trust me when I say this, you will become a really fashion icon here in Cambodia. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
And when that happens, please remember Jake. I'm
Oh,
the first one to visit it.
Designer
Yeah.
Kanya.
So, sorry to cut you, but
I always wanted to be a fashion designer since I was little. I have an older sister that she loved fashion a lot. She would always buy designer bags such as like Chanel's or Dior and stuff. And also, I always watch YouTube about fashion, modeling and other stuff, and it looked really cool. And I still wanted to be a fashion designer since I was a little kid until now.
how do you flip your hair in a more fashionistic way? Okay, let's do that.
Oh, you do.
Come on.
Kanya's really good at this.
Girl, I
We will give each of you a try, okay? Like, you flip it the fashionista way. I don't have a hairstyle. It's up to you. It's up to your style. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I'll give you things. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, give it that side. Yep. Ooh, you look like a shampoo commercial model.
Oh, shampoo commercial.
So classic.